Hey, lighten up.
Yeah, that's what I said. You got like that. It's sunny over there. Not really.
What was the percent chance of rain?
50. Yeah, it's 50 today, 40 tomorrow, and I think after that it's just a little bit on Monday.
Slide!
Which it won't matter. Be gone Monday morning.
Yeah, but I hate packing wet.
Oh yeah. You know what? If BT's got room for this, if we don't have room for all of our shit, and Shane goes back with his old lady,
No.
I just put it in the back of BT's.
Run him again.
Oh, so Shane came with you guys.
Shane drove himself, and then she came with her parents. So if the fam goes back with him, he brought half my stuff. So.
Take his car.
Yeah, you're not going anywhere.
I was thinking about because my other car is a company car.
Oh yeah.
What do you do?
He slipped.
Yeah, he slid.
Whose kid is that?
I don't know if it was accident or it looked like on purpose.
Come pick those legs up.
Pick the legs up.
Get them knees up.
Son.
I didn't think you would.
I went around there 3 times like that. I'd be headed to the tent or laid over.
I didn't think you'd do it. You did it.
It's like a swan thing.
Crazy like your dad. Crazy like your dad. You can't dare you to do nothing.
You're the man.
Not gonna get any better than this right now. Game on.
Are you ready?
Go. Go.
Oh. Hey, why don't you go out there and run around the lightning? Yeah! It'll leave that puddle.
He's going to squeeze you the field off for us.
Yeah!
Slide home!
Head first.
Here comes a throw! Get down!
Oh, just like Dad.
It's booty. Did you scrape yourself?
You won't need a bath today.
Yeah.
Hey, did you scrape yourself?
At least my sunglasses didn't get wet.
Hey, how'd that feel? How'd that feel?
What'd you get?
Got a cherry?
No road rash.
Got a little road rash?
Yeah, I was sliding on my.
You're getting a cut right there.
Huh?
See right now, it's burned now.